Hi, my name's Lily and welcome to my cozy little corner of the internet. Today you're going to get to know me a little bit and also watch the process of me making some new stickers for my sticker shop. I have this cozy little art brand called the Cozy Lily Pad, and it's where I make stickers. So if you're into small creator energy and cozy art, well, you're in the right place. Get to know me. So I'm Lily, and a little bit about me is I am a mom to twin girls who are turning 4 in November. So on Sunday is their birthday. I'm so excited for that. I'm also a hairstylist, and now I am a small business owner. So I have this cozy little art brand called the Cozy Lily Pad, and I like to create art stickers about me. Ever since I was a little girl, I like to make art. So I've been really inspired lately by my kids, seeing them draw in color, and I wanted to bring it back out of me and be my true authentic self. It's a really good way for me to express myself, and I have ADHD, so for me it's just soothing and have all these cute little images or ideas I have. I like to bring to life. So I am building this brand based off art. I am starting from scratch, so if you like small creator vibes, well, you're in the right place, because day one, dude. I'm also kind of cringe, so you'll get to see that a little bit. But yeah, let's see. So we're gonna get right into it. You're gonna watch me print stickers, and I use Procreate. So just start there. You're gonna see the process. I use my iPad to print stickers, my computer, and my printer. Also, you see this computer back here. I like to play games. So if you have any gaming recommendations for me, let me know down in the comments. So far, I've been obsessed with Hello Kitty Island Adventure. My favorite character is Cinnamon Roll. And yeah, I'm a cozy gamer, dude. I like to play cozy games. Stardew Valley, what's it called? Animal Crossing on my Switch. I'm really stoked for that new game that's coming out on Switch 2, Copia. I might just have to get a Switch 2 to play that game. It just sounds so fun. But those are my type of vibes. So if you like that, then you should subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, well, let's get into it. So I am gonna pull up my design that I want to print on my printer and cut on my Cricut. So this is my cozy mug design. I am going to duplicate the layer, and I am going to make sure I give it that white background so it will have the effect of a die cut sticker, you know, where it has that white outline. So here I am just doing that. So now I am going to use my Cricut design space and upload that sticker so I can do the print and cut. So I'm going to start with the blank canvas, and I am going to upload my design, and I'm going to make it 2 inches by 2 inches, and then I'm going to place them on the blank design. My Cricut mat is 8.5 inches by 11, so I am just lining it up for how I think it's gonna fit on the mat. The printer I use, the paper that I recommend. So here I am putting the settings that I want for my stickers on my printer. Then I am going to use System Dialog and adjust printing settings to how I want my printers to print. Now my printer is getting ready, and it's going to start printing. Look at that, so cute. Now I'm gonna laminate my stickers using Cricut vinyl laminate to make it waterproof. It really is waterproof because I placed these stickers on my Stanley Cup, put it in the dishwasher, and it's still good quality. Like it's really good. So I say my stickers are waterproof. Now I am going over settings on what I want my Cricut to use to cut it, and I usually use cardstock because it's gonna give it the best cut. And here it is, cutting it on my Cricut. Have fun watching this part. Okay, so the stickers are done cutting, so it's time to take them off. So here we go. If they want to come off. Whoa. Look how cute that is. So much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed what you saw and you love cozy art and small creator vibes and want to watch me grow this from scratch, well, I'd love to have you here. Please subscribe and stay tuned for my next video and for my next sticker drop.